Hello friends, in this tutorial we will see the step response of RC circuit. In this circuit we consider a voltage source, say Vs, okay, and the R is available. Okay, this is the C, and now initially the V is charged, so the C is charged of voltage V0 equals to, say, V0. Okay, now at t equals to 0 the circuit is closed. Okay, the circuit is closed. Now if we apply KCL, this will be IC means C dV dt, and the voltage across capacitors take V, and this equals to t equals to 0. Now plus this V minus Vs, we can consider this Vs as Vs ut, the step response, okay, divided by R. So current flowing through capacitor and current flowing through the resistor, applying KCL rule, this will be equals to 0, right? Now if I calculate dV dt plus 1 by RC into V equals to Vs divided by RC ut, right? Okay, now we can directly write it as equals to V minus Vs by RC into ut. Okay, now if I just do like this, dV divided by V minus Vs equals to minus 1 by RC dt, and if we integrate this for 0 to t, and this will be V0 to Vt, right? Now you can see that from t equals to 0 to t means t greater than 0. Okay, we are considering after t equals to 0, so this ut is 1, right? Because if we plot ut, this will be, this is the plot of ut equals to 0 for t less than 0 and equals to 1 for t greater than equals to 0, right? So this is ut, and if we take the integration, we obtain that ln V t minus Vs divided by V0 minus Vs equals to minus 1 by RC into t, right? Now if I calculate Vt, this will be equals to Vs plus V0 minus Vs e to the power minus 1 by RC into t, right? this is the final formula. And if we, this is a transient case, if we just write down the formula for steady state operation. Steady state operation means time after the transient period, means time, say time tends to infinite. So the formula will be Vt equals to Vs infinite plus V naught minus V infinite e to the power minus t by tau. Here also tau is Rc. So this is the formula for steady state operation. Hey friends, I am just taking 20 seconds of your valuable time. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you are not, then please subscribe it, because this contribution from your side will really encourage me to do more videos like this. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Thank you. Let's do a problem. Suppose there is a voltage source of 24 volt and this resistance is 3 kilo ohm. This is 5 kilo ohm resistor. Now this is a point, say name A. So this is a capacitor of 0.5 microfarad millifarad, and this is a point B, 4 kilo ohm, and this voltage source is 30 volt. Okay. At time t0, the switch will connect the B point and A point is disconnect from the capacitor, right? Now we have to determine this voltage V for time t greater than Vt for t greater than 0 and for t equals to say 4 second, right? Now how we will do that? First of all, we need to know the capacitor charged voltage before t equals to 0. So t less than 0, this capacitor is connected to this circuit. Okay, so if this is 24 volt and this is 3 kilo ohm resistor, this is 5 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, now capacitor is, we have like a sort open circuit for DC. So this is your initial voltage charge to the capacitor. Now what will be the V0 applying voltage division rule. V0 will be 5 kilo divided by 3 plus 5 kilo into 24, that is equals to 15 volt, right? And okay, this is for t less than 0, and for t greater than 0 the circuit will be 4 kilo ohm plus minus 30 volt and here also capacitor is open circuited. Okay, now if this is open circuited, the voltage across these 2 points will be our V steady state voltage equals to 30 volts, same. Okay, now we need to find the time constant tau equals to RC, and if this switch is connected to B, then C is this and R is this, so R is 4 kilo into 0.5 milli, so this is 2 seconds, right? Now our Vt, we know the formula, V infinite plus in bracket V naught minus V infinite e to the power minus t by tau, right? So this will be V infinite is 30 volt plus this is 15 volt, 15 minus 30 e to the power minus t by 2. Okay, so the final expression will be 30 minus 15 e to the power minus t by 2 volt, and for t Vt, for t equals to 4, we need to take the value of t as 4, 15 e to the power minus 4 by 2, so this will be 27.92 volt. So this is the final answer.